One day, all the effort you're putting in, it's going to make you proud. So don't give up. Not today. If this video helped you relax or made you think, give it a like. And if you want more calm, thoughtful stories like this, hit that subscribe button and stick around. You've got this. And hey, I believe in you. The kind of light that doesn't come with stars. Just a fog that curls against window glass and settles into door cracks like a rumor no one dares speak aloud. London, 1665. The Great Plague has arrived like a whisper at first, then a scream. The bells toll every few hours now, and red crosses mark the doors of the sick. But not everyone gets to stop. Some jobs have to be done, plague or no plague. Tonight, we walk with a man most wouldn't notice. A cobbler, a shoemaker. He doesn't wear the bird mask like the plague doctors. He can't afford it. His nose is red from cold. His apron is stiff from dried leather glue. His hands crack from tannin and lime water. He walks quickly, not from fear, but from habit. His little workshop, barely bigger than a stable, is tucked between a fishmonger's stall and a crumbling chapel. The streets smell like rot, vinegar, and smoke. Somewhere, a dog whines. A bell rings. Again. Inside, the air is thick with polish and silence. The cobbler hangs his coat, lights a single candle, and begins. He's not making shoes for the rich tonight. They've already fled the city, most of them. Horses, silk cloaks, powdered wigs, gone. What's left are the city's bones, servants, laundresses, rat catchers, coffin makers, and him. Shoes for nurses with no rest. Shoes for children whose parents no longer walk behind them. Shoes for grave diggers whose backs will never stop aching. He doesn't talk. There's no one to talk to anymore. But he works. Heel, stitch, nail, pull. Again. Outside, a cart rumbles past. Wooden wheels, slow, rhythmic. You know the kind. You've heard about them. Bring out your dead, the voice calls. But inside, the cobbler presses his awl into thick leather and keeps going. His candle flickers. His hands do not. He wasn't always this alone. His daughter used to sit in the corner, drawing on scraps of parchment. His wife would hum while washing cloth near the fire. That fire's gone now. So is the hum. So is the girl. He stitched their shoes too. Tiny, worn, soft-soled things. He still keeps them on a shelf. It's past midnight now. The candle is nearly out, but the boots are done. He wraps them in cloth, ties the string with steady fingers, sets them by the door. Tomorrow, someone will come. Someone always does. And when they ask how he's managed to keep working through all this, he won't answer, because it's not about hope, or money, or even duty. It's just what his hands know how to do. And when sleep finally comes, it won't come gently, but it will come with the soft scent of worn leather, and a flame that burns just long enough. So rest now, close your eyes.